Super engineering vehicles. If you are in trouble, please come to me for help. What happened in the town? Ha! Emergency! We need to build a bridge ahead. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me? Don't worry, I will be right there. Assemble road roller. Hi, I am Road Roller. I am good at flattening road. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, let's do it! Watch out for obstacles. Use rockets and oil tanks to speed up. Oops. 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 We need to build a bridge ahead. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me? No problem. Leave it to me.
I am Excavator. I can do foundation piling.
Install drills.